removed, and we can pull your cap off. Alright guys, once you get those removed, there's your cap laying right there. Then you just take, and your coil is bolted on through the top right here at this rubber gasket. You're just gonna slide these rubber boots back out the way to where you can get to the bolts right here in the top. You're gonna undo them. We'll get those undone. 1 second. Alright guys, once you got those undone, you're gonna do your wire, the two wires right at the top of your coil assembly. Make sure you don't get them mixed up. One's covered in this little rubber boot right here on the left hand side, and the other green wire right here on the right hand side does not. Undo those, and your coil just slides right out. Once you undo those wires, see if I can get those slide off here 1 second. And you slide it right out, guys. There's your new. You take it out of the cover right there. That keeps it from arcing, because your coil, it will break down over time. And get your new one. 1 second here. Let's grab the new one. Actually, we're probably going to replace that monitor too while we're in here. I'll get your new one. We'll repeat the process. Put it back together. Now we're just going to repeat the process, guys. Putting it back together. Take the coil. Put it in the housing. Get the bolts here. We're just going to repeat the process. Put it right back in there. Put the cap back on. And we'll be done. If y'all found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hopefully you all found this video useful and entertaining. Hopefully it helps some of y'all out there that might also have a Honda that's also has this problem with your car not wanting to start, or it's got a real weak spark. Also, there's a little clip right down in there that's on this coil that it tucks into, right down in there, right there. Alright, and that's all you do, fellas. Give me 1 second, let me get those in there. Can't do it while I'm talking to you all at the same time. Once we get those back in there, guys, put your gasket back up in place, and then we will put your cap back on. And make sure it's got grooves in this gasket, by the way. Make sure you put those in there correctly, because if you don't, you're gonna have a leak, and then your distributor is gonna leak oil, and you're like, well, it never did that before. I don't understand why it's doing it now. Because you didn't get this O-ring gasket seated back in these grooves on the distributor that it goes around. Alright, then we just simply put the cap back on and we're done. Alright, there you go, guys. Y'all hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a great day.